Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, Fluent in Malayalam. Today, we are going to learn opposite words. Opposite is called Vipareetham in Malayalam and words are Padangal. So, opposite words called Vipareetha Padangal. So, let us learn today 25 opposite words in Malayalam. So, the first set of opposite words we are going to learn is big, small. Big is valudu, valudu. Small is cherudu, cherudu. Valudu, cherudu. And here is an example. Idu valudu, adu cherudu. Idu valudu, adu cherudu means this is big, that is small. Okay, so there is also a different usage. It is valiya, cheriya, valiya, cheriya. So that is adjective form. Here is an example. Valiya veedu, valiya veedu, which means big house. Okay, so big is valudu, small is cherudu. Let us see the next one. Next is easy, difficult. Easy, difficult or hard. So it is eluppam, eluppam. Easy is eluppam. Difficult is buddhimuttu, buddhimuttu. Or you can say kadinam, kadinam. Easy is eluppam. Difficult or hard is buddhimuttu or kadinam, kadinam. Next one, start, finish. Start is thudakkam, thudakkam. Finish is avasanam, avasanam. Thudakkam, avasanam. True, false. True is shari, true is shari. False is tettu, false is tettu. Also, see the example. Right, wrong. Right is shari, wrong is tettu. Right is shari, wrong is tettu. Okay. Success, failure. Success is jayam. Success is jayam. Failure is tolvi. Jayam, tolvi. Next one, happiness, sadness. Happiness means santosham, santosham. Sadness means sangadam, santosham, sangadam. Next one, courage, fear. Courage is dhairyam, dhairyam. Opposite is bhayam. Fear is bhayam or you can say pedi, bhayam, pedi. Day, night. Day is pagal, pagal. Night is ratri, ratri. Day is pagal, night is ratri. Inside, outside. Inside means agattu, agattu. Outside means purattu, agattu, purattu. First, last. First is adyam, adyam. Last is avasanam, avasanam. First, last. So here you can see when we learned start, finish, we said finish is avasanam. So finish, last, end, everything means avasanam. So first, last is adyam, avasanam. Good, bad. Good, bad is good is nalladu, nalladu. Cheetadu, bad is cheetadu. Or when used as an adjective, it is nalla. Opposite is cheetha, nalla, cheetha. And when you say like good and evil, so it is more like virtue and evil. It will be nanma, nanma. Evil is tinma, tinma. So nanma, tinma. Next one, less. Less, more. Less is കുറച്ച്, കുറച്ച്. More is കുറെ, കുറെ, കുറച്ച്, കുറെ. Fat, thin. Fat, thin. Fat means തടിച്ച, thin means മെലിഞ്ഞ. Fat means തടിച്ച and മെലിഞ്ഞ. And if you are saying about something, as we said, seen in the first example, you can say തടിച്ചത്, മെലിഞ്ഞത്. തടിച്ച, മെലിഞ്ഞ. Next coming are verbs. So opposite verbs. Okay. Push, pull. Push is തള്ളുക, തള്ളുക. Pull is വലിക്കുക, വലിക്കുക. തള്ളുക, വലിക്കുക. Open. Open and close. Open is തുറക്കുക, തുറക്കുക. Close is അടയ്ക്കുക, അടയ്ക്കുക. Open, close. Cry, laugh. Cry is കരയുക, കരയുക. Laugh is ചിരിക്കുക, കരയുക, ചിരിക്കുക. Stand, sit. Stand is നിൽക്കുക, നിൽക്കുക. Sit is ഇരിക്കുക, ഇരിക്കുക. നിൽക്കുക, ഇരിക്കുക. Next one is give and take. Give, take. Give is കൊടുക്കുക, കൊടുക്കുക. Take is വാങ്ങുക, വാങ്ങുക. Fall, rise. Fall is വീഴുക, വീഴുക. Rise is എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക, എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക. വീഴുക, എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക. Sleep, wake up. Sleep is ഉറങ്ങുക. Wake up is also എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക. So rising up and waking up is same. എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക. Sleep is ഉറങ്ങുക, ഉറങ്ങുക, എഴുന്നേൽക്കുക. Come, go. Come is വരുക, go is പോവുക. Come is വരുക, go പോവുക. വരുക, പോവുക. Or instead of പോവുക, you can say പോകുക. Okay, so those were 25 opposite words in Malayalam. You learned lot of words today. Tell me about how you feel now. Use the comment section. Leave your suggestions, your doubts, your questions, anything you want. I'll be answering that. And please hit on that like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Nandi for watching. Namaskaram.